Framing your oil painting on a canvas panel not only enhances its presentation, but also provides protection for years to come. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to properly frame and wire your artwork for display. Before we start, these are the tools that you will need. A frame that fits your canvas panel. A point driver like this Logan F500 for the framing points nails. Framing points to secure the panel. A Phillips screwdriver. Hanging wire. Wire cutters, D-rings and screws, and a measuring tape or ruler. Start by placing your canvas panel into the frame. Since canvas panels are thin, they don't have the depth of stretched canvases, so I'm going to secure it using framing points. Using the point driver, drive the frame pointers into the wood frame to secure the painting in place. Because this is a small panel, I will only attach the nails at the top and bottom of the inside of the frame. Framer points are an effective way to keep artwork firmly in place within custom wood picture frames. Each time the trigger of a point driver is pressed, a framer point is embedded into the rabbet joint of the frame. This helps secure the artwork while also protecting the frame from potential damage or shifting. Next, let's attach the D-rings for hanging. Measure about 1/3 down from the top of the frame and mark the spots on both sides. What I do is to locate the middle of the frame, and from there I will mark with a pencil about 1 to 1.5 inch above the center of the frame. Then I will use a ruler to measure the distance from the top of the frame to that first mark and transfer it to the other side of the frame. Screw the D-rings in place, making sure they are secure and aligned evenly. Thread the wire throughout one D-ring, loop it back and go under the main wire and over into the ring, forming a loop, and feed the wire through that loop and tie the knot, and twist it around itself several times for a firm grip. Repeat on the other side, leaving a little slack so the painting hangs comfortably. Trim any excess wire. With the wire attached, your frame painting is now ready to hang. Be sure to use a sturdy hook or wall anchor suitable for the weight of your frame. A well framed painting adds a professional touch to your artwork and makes it gallery ready or perfect for home display. And that's it, you have successfully framed and wired your canvas panel oil painting. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more art tips. Thanks for watching.